Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mghost Wasemzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Abantu bathumela amavidiyo duze emndenini walo Winnie Big Brother Mzansi akulo mnyaka uSweet Guluva ngemva kokuthi ngidlule emhlabeni asisi wakhe la Sweet Guluva alama yena kani kukhishwe statement lesifundzeka ngalendlela official statement from Sweet Guluva team. We are deeply saddened to share the heartbreaking news of the passing of Sweet Guluva's beloved sister Ulwazi Zwane. This is an incredibly difficult time for him and his family, as we kindly ask that you please bear with him as he take time to mourn and process this great loss. Your continuous support, love and prayers mean the world. We thank you for your kindness you've shown him throughout his journey. Further updates regarding memorial arrangements will be shared when the family is ready. May Lwazi's soul rest in eternal peace. She will always be missed daily. With love and gratitude, Sweet Guluva's team. Guys, kwaze kwaba buhlungu. So ushonile siswa Lwazi. Lo sisilona ke Sweet Guluva ulama yena, so kubuhlungu kakhulu njena lokubavelela emndenini. We know ukuthi Sweet Guluva she's someone shame ukuthi uthanda abantu, uthanda ukuthatha ama-pictures nebantu, ama-videos, like akanandzaba njena, akaditsheli, akababoni abantu as ma-fans but ubabona as his friends. So siyasho nje ukuthi inkosi yami nathi siyasho ukuthi condolences kuloku lokumvelele. Kubuhlungu kakhulu guys, kubuhlungu angathi nokuthi ngithini but kubuhlungu. So bantu nje bayasho ukuthi dvudvu emndenini Sweet Guluva. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.